All right, so let's take a look at what happened yesterday. All right, so we marked out yesterday our last week high, last week low, as well as last week's golden zone. So let's try look at exactly what we can gather for today. All right, so because today is Tuesday, 3rd of September, so we mark out the 2nd, which is Monday. So Monday high. Oh, yeah, my bad. There you go. Alright, so Monday high, and then we have Monday's low. Alright, and my bias for gold is still short, but let's take a look at how the daily closed. So daily on gold, we could possibly see price go back up. I'd say if this candle yesterday, the 2nd, being Monday, if it closed bearish but the same body, this could be the start of a Morningstar Japanese candlestick. So Morningstar JCP, let's see. Well, yeah, essentially this is what we could be looking at, right? Something like this. So for gold at the moment, we could potentially look at longs. So the moment gold surpasses 50% of 30 August being Friday's candle, it would validate price continuing going up, right? So let's actually mark out the 50% of the 30th of August. Alright, so the 30th, so it's essentially this. Alright, so let's just mark out the 50. So it'll be here. We'll mark it out orange, and don't forget to add text. So 50% evening star JCP 30 August. Oh, Morningstar, right? Yeah. Morningstar Japanese candlestick. August. Alright, so I would say just based off how yesterday closed, we could potentially look at longs for today. Alright, looking at longs for today. So what we would do is mark up the golden zone of Monday. Alright, we have this area over here. So this is Monday GZ. And we could potentially see price come into this pocket over here. Okay. Morning star, Japanese candlestick, exit zone. All right, so I think we would ideally wait for a pullback on gold. We have a 15-minute trend over here, 15-minute trend. So we'll wait for a pullback on gold and potentially enter on a retest on the trend, or at least the golden zone. All right, so we would most likely look for, let's just say close to 330, maybe something like this. SL would be on just under the low, and we'd probably aim for here, but our key area to exit is this 50% mark. All right, what's up, Grant? Hope you're doing well, bro. So we'll probably look at something like this for gold. Yeah, let's just see exactly what kind of trade we could take on here. So we'll take entries over there, would be a buy. Stop loss would be 2489. TP, let's just be safe with TP 2510. 2510. So we'll probably do a 0.03 lot size, I think, for this one today. Mainly just because it's not necessarily a amazing setup, right? It's not an amazing setup. So let's just take a screenshot of that, because if gold does come into our position and we get confirmation, we would enter 0.03, stop loss 2489, we would be risking $26. Take profit 2510, that would be our first TP. We would secure 36, basically $37. But final TP would be 2518. 2518, we could secure like $61. So yeah, that's gold. That's gold for now. And let's take a look at NASDAQ. Right, so NASDAQ, let's see what NASDAQ's doing. Last week, golden zone. Let's mark out Monday, which is the 2nd. Alright, so that's Monday's high. Yes, Mel. When I enter, I'll be putting the trade under announcements. And that's Monday low. What's up, Storm? So before we do, let's just see how the day looked. Alright, so it did close bullish yesterday. Candle essentially matched the previous day. And also over here, I wouldn't necessarily call that a inverse. But it looks like we could potentially go bullish, although I'm pretty sure we have a lot of fair value gaps at the bottom. But let's go back to the 1 hour. and mark out the golden zone. So from last week, we didn't have a touch on the golden zone yet, of last week's golden zone. So we didn't necessarily fulfill 50% of last week yet. So we could potentially actually see NASDAQ pull back one more time, pull back and potentially climb from the 50 mark, 0.618 mark or the 50 mark. So let's just see on the 15. So yeah, I think with NASDAQ today, what I would look at is NASDAQ potentially pulling back to the golden zone at New York session. So Monday golden zone, MGZ. So I would probably look to see something like this. And then boom, somewhere around this area, right? But let's just put it in the middle. And then once we get confirmation over here, first target, and then second target. Bacon and egg flavor shisha.
Who said that?
Oh wait, double vodka instead of water in the pipe. Bacon and egg flavor with vodka. Jamo said, and Ryan.
Whiskey and lime.
Whiskey and lime.
It is actually a breakfast pipe.
Yeah, it is a breakfast pipe. Alright guys.
A lot of water.
Alright, jump out.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Oh, outside or?
Yeah.
Oh. So yeah, this is what I kind of look for NASDAQ. I would actually rather wait for the sell. Take the sell at 560. Let's just put in an alert here so that we know when price comes. Take a sell here all the way to 402. So let's see what Jen. So let's just say 19555, right? We'll probably enter around here. There'll be a sell. Stop loss would make the high here, so 19604. Let's do 605. Take profit was let's just say 19400. So we'll be risking $50 to make $154. Alright, we'll do a 0.01 on NASDAQ. So just take a screenshot of this because this is the lot size that we'll do to enter NASDAQ. So yeah, guys, that's the setups. Just make sure you took a screenshot. I'll leave it here for now. So NASDAQ, we're looking at selling at this area till about 19,400, and gold, we were looking at buying. So yeah, at least we have 2 or 3 setups today. Smoking.
Got an audition for a BBC docu-series called Humans,
Nice.
but it's like non-speaking. It's like a docu-series on like our past and stuff as humans.
Oh yeah.
So I don't know if I want to do it.
I mean, it is good.
Unlikely to be great rates.
Ah. Then hell no. It tastes nice.
It's not strong.
Oh, it's not bad. Oh, it is the same as Philip's one.
Yeah.
Crazy. But his one was in a tub.
Yeah.
Storm, did you exit on the golden zone, right? It's a good trade, bro. Like, that was 100% reason to exit. So, I exited just before the golden zone. Okay. You don't ask me last week on how much a $100 account is. $100 account. What do you mean $100 account, Viking? Yeah, the challenge has been going well, bro. It's been going really, really well. You can definitely link your account to it, or just trade on both accounts. But also, like, we've been, like, so far we have a 100% success rate, right? With this challenge, we haven't taken a loss yet. But I would say, like, don't necessarily fall for that hype just yet. Do you know what I'm saying? It's still, like, early days. But the risk management, what we're doing on this challenge has been really, really good. So even if we take a loss, like, I won't necessarily change the trajectory of our challenge so far. Viking, what do you mean by how much a $100 account is? Yo, the wind is crazy. You probably mean $100 in ZAR. Oh, I think it's 1,740 rand. It's like 17.4 rand now for $1. There's been 0 losses, just trades getting stopped out at BE, which is always the best option when a trade. Yeah, 100%, bro. 100%. That's why it's so important just to go to BE at like a significant area. Do you know what I'm saying? Or at least if there's no like confluence, then at least when you have some form of distance with your trade. But if there's a significant area, meaning confluence prior to distance, then obviously you move SL to BE. Morning, John. So, yeah, John, I think you just came on now. We're looking at potentially longs on gold. Obviously, if once we get confirmation within the zone, and then with NASDAQ, whoa, okay, it already came down. But if price doesn't come down, come up. So ideally, Jean, what we're looking at is sells in this golden zone, looking for a pullback and then buying within last week's golden zone. But if we don't get our pullback, we'll buy till the pullback. And then we'll probably have to monitor for an exit here as well. So if this doesn't work out, we just go here. I'm asked about the challenge, like what can I get, like what deals are there? What can I get, like what deals are there? I asked about the challenge, like what can I get, like what deals are there? Do you mean with funded accounts, Viking? Or this brokerage account? So what we could also mark up is take this this fib, and let's just see where the 1.618 is. So 1.618 is at the bottom here at 9,360. So potentially something like that. And we'll do a 0.01. I'm up about 2% on the Funded Pro phase 1. There's people already on phase 2. Damn. Yeah, just slow and steady, bro. Slow and steady. Like, you know, you'll definitely get to phase 2, but we still have to secure like an extra, just say like $100 here, and then we still have to do 10K phase 1, phase 2. So hopefully with that that time period where we reach $100, you'll be in like the final phase of the 5K. Yes, the funded account. So Viking, you just go to Funded Pro, and then these are the challenges. All right, so you said 100, I assume you meant $100,000. So it's $549, and then you just use this coupon code no caps, but ON20, and then that's 20%. So it's $439, 100K. All right, so $100,000 account costs $549. You essentially pay $439 for it if you use this coupon code ON20. I'm only risking 1% on max SR replacement. One percent is fine, bro. I've actually been recommending people to risk less. Yeah, but 1% is 100% fine. Especially because you're up 2% now, so risking 1% is fine. No stress, Viking. No stress, bro. I'm too scared to risk. I only do like half or quarter of 1%. Yeah, I would do that as well. It really depends on the trade setup, right? If the trade setup is relatively good, then 1% is okay. Especially risking 1 to make 2 or 3%. So yeah, with NASDAQ, I'd probably look to go long this area, and stop loss would be at 300 around here. Yeah, 100% JMO. 100%. popped out and I don't know how to get it back to the right. Add a screenshot. So Yuandre, okay, Yuandre, just do this. So yours essentially looks like this because you closed your favorites tab, right? So see, mine's here now, right? So what you just do, you just bring it back and then you press this auto panel and then it'll come back. Just tell me once you sorted. So just bring your instruments tab back and then press auto panel and then it'll come back. Okay, awesome, bro. I did the same thing last week and I was also stressing. So don't worry. What is your entry signal on the golden zones, Jamie? Which golden zone? Both NASDAQ and gold, or just one or the other? So I'll just wait for you to type. Oh, like how do I enter based on my strat? Well, once price is in my golden zone, which is basically the 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci levels, right? So that's essentially what the golden zone is made out of. Once price is there and it forms a reversal Japanese candlestick, then I'll take it. But obviously within that golden zone, I want a lot more confluence. So that's why we have our supports, our daily highs, our trend lines and so forth. So the moment that we get a Japanese candlestick within that area, then I'll take my trade. Because remember, like Japanese candlesticks are essentially you reading emotions of the market, right? So when you look at Japanese candlesticks, these are basically just emotions. We can see how the buyers are feeling and how the sellers are feeling. So once you see the emotion in your area of confluence, you can take your trade. Wendy, I'm only going to put the trades in the chat once we take it because I don't want to put it and then there's no like sign that it's going to respect it. So only once I enter, I'll put the trades in the chat. So yeah, to be honest, we're probably only going to be taking a trade in like the next maybe hour or two. Gold might happen a little bit sooner, but especially with NASDAQ, it's going to take probably an hour or two. But we'll just stay on the chat for a little bit just until we see what happens with gold. There is news at 2 p.m. Let's see. Or 4 p.m. our time, ISM. So yeah. 4 p.m. there's news. I'm just taking a shit quick.
Oh, wait. That time, boy. That time. I'm gonna probably go after you, but shit.
There you go, Jax. It's going to be TP there, 618. But we'll probably, well, we can't take partials, but we're either going to exit at 618 or 550, around there. What's up, bro? What's up? So ideally looking at a long, just about here. And then SL, we said 299. So yeah, that's the setup for NASDAQ. I'm in Sri Lanka. Oh, we must link up, bro. We must link up for sure. 100%. So yeah, guys, everyone trading on next trade, we're probably gonna, well, we can only really do a 0.01. Looks like we're gonna be risking $65 to make possibly 250. Yeah, so Angie, depends on my bias with the fib zones. But yeah, depends on my bias, and then I just mark up the golden zone, which is essentially 0.5 and 0.618. And then once we surpass the previous day high or low, I monitor the 1.618 matching with the next support or resistance or whatever the case may be. Three, 5, 5, 4, 3, 6. twins.
No.
Oh,
Your Instagram.
that's crap.
The thing you sent me.
Oh yeah, crazy, eh? CPT as well. Fuck, I need to check these.
What?
My tickets.
Yeah.
You get in
Hmm?
to the GoDaddy.
No, I'll do it later when I get a response.
Yo, I had a demon one, bro. For real.
Same.
As well. Damn. Oh, we forgot to buy a TP.
Oh yeah, I'll complete you.
That was the last one in the thing.
I'm busy using the Pucky one, bro.
Oh fuck. It was a real demon time then. Damn.
Brittany messaged me again.
Oh yeah, same?
Hey, how are you?
Is that it? Oh. Storm. So our sell area at NASDAQ didn't come to our area, so that's why we didn't take it. Yeah, it's valid, but we obviously just need to wait for confirmation. So once price comes here, we obviously will look for a Japanese candlestick, and then once we get that, we can enter. But we just have to be cautious of the break on that trend, and price like potentially going below the 50% mark. On gold, if it breaks last week golden zone and come back to retest, will you consider that a valid trade? Let's see. If it breaks last week's golden zone, for longs, yes, for sure, because we also have what's the name? A support in this area as well, linking up with that golden zone. So yeah, if it breaks and retests, it could be could definitely be a long opportunity. then we'll probably, like if it had to break, we would probably look at something, so it would be here. So we'll probably put it just below the support, and then aim for probably our C box again, something like that. Angie. $20,000. Let's take a look.
What's up?
Oh, I was asking if you're going again.
Eh?
I was asking if you're going again.
Oh no. Must be wilding. Shit. Check this.
So I'll go here.
Yeah, you can.
Oh.
That was like last year. But then read what she said to that message.
It sounds so much like you. Damn. When was this? Thursday. Oh.
22 August.
Bruh.
Wild.
That's crazy. That's literally looking for like, do you know what I'm saying? Like sympathy.
Yeah. That's what she does.
Crazy. Jamie, into sports betting. Not with the NFL. I actually haven't done sports. I would like to do like UFC and stuff. I think that's fun. But I think like betting on sports just makes it like funner to watch. But in terms of like knowledge and stuff, bro, like I don't know anything about like predictions and all that. But if you got a plug for sport betting, I'm down. Do you do sport betting, you Andre? Yeah, every now and then, mainly NFL. I'll share my parlay with you, then you can just go for a shot. What's your like your hit rate? I don't understand sport bets though. Like if you let's just say an example, right? You bet like 1,000 rand on I don't know, like let's just say the Chiefs beating the Seattle Seahawks. Does that mean like you get 1,000 rand back, or is it like depending on ratios, like the chance rate? I don't really know how like the percentage gain works. First time in my life actually betting on sport. I lost 4K. Thought Trump would win the election. Damn. Chance rate. So if you put 2-5 on the Houston Texans now to win the Super Bowl, you'll get back. Damn, really? So for instance, you can say this running back will have first touchdown for the game, and if it, you'll get your money back plus whatever the odds was. That the Chiefs going to win, then you would have to put. Damn. Okay. That's crazy. It's not bad, bro. So the Chiefs make playoffs and you bet against who is playing against them, you could make more. Okay, I see. So if you bet with it, like the underdogs, then the win rate is a lot more. Makes sense. That's why I say like UFC, bro, would be sick because UFC is honestly like obviously there's a few like elite guys there, but you never know with UFC, you know. UFC could be freaking cool. I have a meeting at 1 p.m. Do you think we'll be in the trade before then? I don't know. I can't really say, to be honest. I can't really say. Price could come back and then come back down. So I think like for the next maybe 30 minutes or an hour, you should be calm. Plaisir.
He beat us. Good boy.
So on the 15-minute on NASDAQ right now, it looks like it respected the golden zone, but because we have a trend line as well over here, I wouldn't have entered just on top because SL would have been the same, so we would have risked way more. So let's rather wait for like a clean entry with NASDAQ. Gold, we could potentially still grab our gold buys. Oh, that's US30. So you wonder, is that they bet $50 and they won 23K? What? That's crazy, bro. That's freaking nuts. Jesus. Sport betting is like a money glitch then, bro. They will do a multi-leg parlay, so it stacks but all of the legs to it in order for it to pay out. Jesus. That's crazy. That's crazy. Bro, I've been on such a hot streak with roulette lately. Like, ridiculous hot streak. But Thursdays is the best for me personally to like dabble in like roulette or plinko. It's literally the best. Gold is also coming for us. Let's see. Let's take a look at gold. Yep. Indeed. I don't know why my analysis on NASDAQ isn't loading on this chart. That's fine. There you go. See gold's coming down as well as NASDAQ. Yeah, NASDAQ was also coming down. Alright, so with gold, we got some lovely rejection on the 50 zone of Monday's golden zone. Alright, some nice rejection over here. I think it will be best just to wait to see if price does come back to trend to retest. Right, so we won't necessarily take gold just yet. This would have been a nice clean entry as well, but let's just wait a little bit. Otherwise with NASDAQ, we also have price coming towards our potential buy zone. Still some distance though, but let's just wait. Alright guys, so gold is making way. Gold is definitely making way to our point of interest for longs. Let's just take a peek at NASDAQ quickly. Okay, NASDAQ is still going to be playing around over there. So it looks like we might be entering gold first, right? So most likely grab something here. And we're looking at a 0.03. Can you add a custom indicator in TradeLocker platform? I don't think you can have a custom indicator. What I would just do is just put it on TradingView. Put it on TradingView and then just switch between the two charts. I'm not too sure. Maybe you can. But yeah, otherwise just cross-reference between the two charts. So add it on one and then just cross-reference between the two. What indicator are you looking to add, bro? I just jumped in out of the stream because I'm driving now. Yeah, it's every day, bro. It is every day. I'm smoking more now than ever because my friend's with me. So while we work, we like share a shisha pipe. But technically, I'm only smoking half a hookah because he smokes the other half. Technically. But I do it more for like while I work or like socially. Technically, yeah. Well, technically, we came to a conclusion yesterday because yesterday I think we had 3 shishas, but then we were like, technically it's like 1.5 each. No, well, it might be, but I don't really have an addictive personality. So, like, I did do cigarettes, or I tried cigarettes before, didn't enjoy it at all. Um, yeah, like, I don't really have an addictive personality, so I can honestly stop whenever I wanted to. Renko Wave, it's like MACD just for entries. Okay, that's very cool. Hooked on hookah for sure, bro. I promise you guys, I can stop easily. Like next week, like I can cut it. I quit 16 months ago. No fucking joke. Yeah, cigarettes is difficult to quit, bro. I know a lot of people. I promise you guys, I can quit whenever. Well, I won't even say it's quitting. I can just stop. Okay, wait. So yeah, gold's coming to our trend. We might not enter exactly once it touches trend, right? We're gonna look for a 5-minute Japanese candlestick. So just a 5-minute bullish candle, and then we can look to enter. I'm stuck on Zins now. What's Zins? I hope you don't mean Zans. Nicotine pouches you pop under your, oh shit, under your lip. That's interesting. Oh yeah, vapes are gnarly, bro. Okay, we gotta touch on our trend. Is entry 2495? Yeah, around there. We're just looking for confirmation on 5-minute. So just 33 more seconds, and then we'll possibly enter. But yeah, vapes are horrible, guys. Like, it's I was on like a vape kind of vibe, like air pops and stuff, when I used to go out like 3 years ago. For me, it was like a portable shisha. But yeah, also I didn't become addicted to vapes. I was just convenient. All right, lovely. If we can get this 5 minutes to maybe come retest support over here, and close above trend in like a spinning top, basically a premature morning star candle, that would be very, very ideal. Very, very ideal. Okay, that's the touch on support that we wanted. Now we just want price to come above trend and close in a bullish candle, and then we're pretty much good. Can you please pop in chat? Yeah, I'll do that once we enter, for sure. For sure, for sure. All right, 3 more minutes. It's basically doing exactly what we wanted to do. Retest support and close above the trend. There we go. It entered trend again. Guys, this is looking perfect. Literally perfect. We just don't want it to get too much away from us. Yeah, it's kind of like, you know, once you guys know your Japanese candlesticks, it's really easy to, well, not easy, but you can see multiple outcomes. You know, I'm like Doctor Strange when he's like fucking trying to see like all the possible outcomes with the Avengers. So it's the same with Japanese candlesticks. You just like seeing like a bunch of possible outcomes. I don't know, MFS not yet. Sarah, how did you learn Forex and what are like the basics? What will make you at least 500 per trade? Sarah, that's a very ambitious outlook. Especially like making at least 500 per trade. It depends like what's your starting capital, your safety net for trading. Yeah, so I would say like definitely start in terms of goals, start on something that's small, consistent, but sustainable for yourself. So if your end goal is $500 or 500 Rand, hit something that's really realistic, like 100 Rand, $100, whatever the case may be. Because remember, if you want to make $500, you have to be able to risk $500, right? So yeah, definitely know like what your starting goal is. How are you doing? I'm good in yourself, bro. We're looking for buys on gold. We're just waiting for this 5-minute candle to close, which is about 30 seconds. So yeah, and then stop loss is over here. I will put the stop loss on the chart once we enter. But 30 seconds. The fact that it closed within the trend, I'm quite happy. Even better if it closes bullish. But let's just see. If it doesn't close bullish, then we might have to wait for the next 5-minute candle. So it closed below trend, but let's see. New 15-minute candle as well. So what I would do is, my charts are acting up. Alright, so once we're in the trade and once price comes, surpasses this area, that's when we'll move SL to BE. Alright. But for now, there's no real trade that we can take. Still alright, I think. You can try.
Gold tank.
Yeah.
Juice.
Hmm?
Oh.
Research, bro.
Approve. Do your thing.
Penga. Oh, I locked your phone by mistake. Alright guys, so that looks great. That looks great so far. Let's just see what the 15-minute is cooking up. We could get a potential hammer. One minute and 40 seconds left. Three seconds on this 5. What's up, T-Storm? We're doing a 0.03 on gold. Yeah, 0.03. Yeah, bro. I saw. Wait, I'll try to show you.
Have you ever wondered what goes inside your vape? Today we're visiting
pressure and how many seconds it smokes out of the air.
你一天大概能测多少个？
一天大概要测平均7、8千吧，
7、8千，多的时候呢？
多的时候就1万多。
你自己平时抽吗？那你下班之后还抽吗？
下班之后。
That's how they test the vapes. They're actually cool. Yeah.
I need to get them some new lungs.
Are you looking for closure above your train line? Yeah, I am. No, not yet, Storm. Almost though. Alright guys, I'm entering gold now, buying gold now. 0.03, that's our entry. Alright, stop loss is 2489. 2489. And TP, we're looking at 2418. I mean, sorry, 2518. All right. So yeah, we end on gold, guys. I'm just. 2496 SL is 2489. TP is 2518. There you go. What is a retest? My bad for asking too many questions. A retest is essentially just like a trend or support. Once it breaks, we look for it like touching it again, essentially. What's up, JMO? So we'll most likely move SL to entry at this area over here. Short T-Storm, I appreciate that, bro. Glad you enjoyed it. Alright, and we're in. Nice, Ian. Put me on loudspeaker, bro. Do you have any free course or newsletter I can sign up to? No, I don't really have a course, bro. But you can check Ethan Garland's channel. He just posted a really in-depth course, so you can check his channel out. Got you on loud, don't abuse it. My neighbors really don't like me. It's time to move, bro. It's time to come this side. Make space there. Bro, there's enough space, literally. So much freaking space. I'll share the couch with Ange.
You think I'm on the couch, bro?
So yeah, guys, with this trade, we are essentially risking $21 to make 65. About newsletter. There's no real newsletter, bro, to be honest. I'd say like our newsletter is like the Discord, essentially. How did the meeting go?
Good.
Good.
Yeah. So we make some changes. They need to make some changes to the website, where the stocks arrive.
You should make videos as taxes as a trader would help those out on starting out. There's actually there's a good video that my friend made about taxes. I'll share his page. Davron. He's a chartered accountant as well. I'll try to find it for you and send it. So here's the video about taxes. Go follow this guy. He's pretty clued up. So Davron.
And taxes, probably one of the most asked question in my DM today, and we're gonna dissect it. To all my Forex traders out there that are continuously asking me, how do I pay my taxes? What amount do I pay my taxes on? And how do I calculate this that needs to be paid? This video is for you. Forex trading is basically a business. I want you to understand this because when it comes to the income that you make, the expenses that you want to claim, and the profit that you are going to declare to SARS, this is the core of how you are going to drive your financial side of your Forex trading business. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to create a profit and loss statement, sort of like an income statement. And it's going to break down each item that you are earning. So you're going to start with your income, right? What are the different income streams that you have as a Forex trader? So you have your trading income, you're going to have costs.
So yeah, Davron Talks. I can't type it on the YouTube, guys, because I'm not signed in. So just type in Davron Talks on Instagram. Tell him Jamie sent you as well. What level should we move SL to BE? Probably only once we surpass this area over here. So once we surpass 2599, essentially, we're like $2 in profit so far. Who is this dude? He's an accountant in SA. He's pretty clued up with like everything. So can you type answer? Okay, 2499. Sorry, pass. Once we pass 2499. All right, $5 up. Is he in the US? No, he's based in Durban, South Africa. Cheers, Janine. Cheers, Jamie. What the fuck? Oh, cheers. Like, thanks. Sweet. I thought you were saying bye to me. I was like, nah, bro, I'm staying. All the goons are from Durban. Boss life. Carlton Dennis. I gave like the best speech on that, but yeah, I forgot to unmute myself. So essentially what I said, Sarah, was that because like our trade was barely in drawdown, we were like 80 cents in drawdown. So that obviously doesn't phase me. But if you're going to see a number that's going to affect you, right? So let's just say R1 million or $1 million, whatever the case may be, that is obviously going to affect you. So the moment you see that number, you're instantly going to lose your trade because, you know, you essentially scared. Anytime that you're scared with a trade, you've instantly lost. So that's why I say it's very important to start small, compound on that compound, and then the moment you have more capital, more of a safety net, then you can increase your risk and so on. So, you know, rather start small, build, and then you can increase your risk. But if you're starting at the top, you know, already, and you lose, you're gonna have such a bad taste on trading and everything. My best lesson after meeting Jamie was budgeting for trading, running trading as a business on its own, have a budget for trading expense. Yeah, 100%, bro. 100%. All right, guys, so we're basically in the area where we would move SL to BE, but I just want to wait for this, the next 5-minute candle to essentially close above this candle over here. The moment it closes, then we're fine. But right now we're cruising roughly like $9-10 in profit. Pretty good trade. So in 3 more minutes, we'll most likely move SL to BE. 3 more minutes. Damn, nice, bro. How big did you go? What was your entry, Jamie? Here you can see 2496.25. Bro, that's amazing. Good job. So yeah, I entered at 2496.25. And in the next 2 minutes, we'll probably move SL to BE. I got in 0.2, damn. That's a big lot size. But good job, bro. At least it paid out. Shot J Deal Papno. Yeah, literally just basics, bro. It's literally just basics. Don't overcomplicate it. I'm just using fibs, support resistance, trend lines, percentages, daily highs, daily lows. Hi, where do you post the trades? Kim, I have a private Discord. I'm currently doing a $100 challenge. So everything's posted on a Discord. Do you take partials? Yes, I do take partials. I do take partials. I most likely will take a partial at like 2505 or 2507, around there. Alright, so 5-minute candle closure. I just want to see how this candle reacts. But it looks pretty good to me. It closed in our support and resistance block as well as Monday's golden zone. So yeah, I would say let's move SL to BE. So move. Alright, so 2497 will be my SL. 2497 or 2496.50. Yeah, that's fine. So yeah, SL is at BE, so it's a risk-free trade. And that's what price can we take some partials? Probably 2502, 2505 around there. BE means break even. So BE means break even. Yeah, we can probably take partials at 2502. I'll probably close at 0.01 at 2502. So is that on trying to or it's a separate channel? We started the challenge 6 days ago, so currently this channel is yeah, we can't take any more people, unfortunately, Kim. But I did announce it on the Crown Club Discord channel for like the past month. But all the trades that we take, you can take it on stream here on the YouTube. My bad, bro. Didn't catch that. Can you repeat partial level? Probably 2502, bro. 2502, we'll take a partial. Yes, we stop loss at BE. Let's go. $11 on gold at the moment. $11 on gold. I did 0.2, but profit is completely different. Is this with Funder Pro? Hey, MFS. We did a 0.03 MFS. So you did a 0.2. Oh, Funder Pro. So yeah, it's quite a big lot size, but I'm sure it's fine. Yeah. Up $43. So how much will you make at final TP 2518? Shit, hey, you'll make quite a lot, bro. Right now it's $75. Crazy. And at final TP, Jason, I'm up 164. Damn, nice, bro. Yeah. Full TP is $900. Fuck. That's crazy. Good job, guys. So yeah, we're taking partials at 2502. Over here, take partial. Currently up $14. Nice. Okay, so let me just make an announcement at everyone. Yeah, we got sniper entries here, bro. Yeah, we did kill this one. That was patience as well. At least we didn't have any drawdown. Literally entered. I think max drawdown for me was 87 cents. And we up like $12. Current profit for me is £17. Nice. It's very good. What's your total lot size, Mel? I'd say take a third. Take a third of your lot size. Oh yeah, so then take a 0.01 as well. No problemo. Damn, 44 viewers on YouTube's, 35 on the Discord. I hope everyone on the YouTube caught that one as well. I always type in caps, bro. But yeah, the YouTube's grown. That's my I'll show you my stats. I don't know if you can see properly, but yeah, it's not too bad. We're on 2.5, 11.6k views, and 955 watch time hours, which is pretty cool. Growing like a rocket. Yeah, this 15-minute candle, I think it's the pipe. 100%. This 15-minute candle looks a little bit sus, especially if we get rejection like now from this Monday golden zone. But our edges are protected, so we should be fine. But I ideally would just like to take a partial over here. How do you pass? Over here, so you go here, partial close, like that. So yeah, by your instrument positions tab, you just go to actions and then partial close. No, only here, 2502. Alright guys, I'm going to be back in 5 minutes. Alright, 5 minutes I'll be back. Just make sure that your SR is at BE. I just need to go grab some popcorn quickly. Alright guys, so yeah, we are out at BE. Crazy candle. What's up?
No, I'm good. Shot.
Alright guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to step away from the charts for a little bit now. Don't necessarily want to grab another entry of gold, especially after that. And NASDAQ is still quite far from our entry. So what I'm probably going to do, for New York session, I'll join the Crown Club stream, and then I'll probably stream again for us tonight. So yeah, we'll try to catch another trade tonight. Yeah, that cancel was rude, bro. Yes, but it's alright. We'll definitely catch another one. Yeah, Comedy Hub. I would stay away from gold for now, bro, for sure. For sure. Alright, sweet guys. Nah, Storm, I'm staying away from gold. Yeah. Our other let it do its thing. Also, we have news at 4 p.m. So yeah. I'll see you guys either at 3:30 or tonight.